Hey guys, Rich Bassini here, your YouTube vlogger creator. For those of you following my YouTube channel, you may be new to it. I love the Elgato products. And I have on my desk over here, let me just get my screen to activate and I'll show you what I'm talking about. On cam 2, you can see I have two over here. I have the Stream Deck 32 key XL and I have the Stream Deck Plus over here. It's 8 keys with 4 turnable dials here. You know, you get the 4 little dials here to adjust them. And I love the product. But what I want to show you or share with you is they made a keyboard with the built-in Stream Deck. And I would love to have this thing, but it's a little pricey. I will drop the link to this one here. This is from Engadget. You could read more into it in there. There's other things that you might want to check out. But let me take you over here to the YouTube channel. I'm going to play a little of it, and I'll give you the links to the ones I'm showing you here. This way you could have it. You could check it out at your own leisure. But check this out. I'm going to have to, you know, I can't play too much of it, even though it's only 46 seconds long. I might be able to get away with it. I don't know. Let's just play the first intro, then we'll just scroll down. Okay? I'm going to, you know, mute my mic. I'll give you the link to that one there. Plus, there's some other stuff I want to share with you guys. These things, I'm just going to scroll down here. This way you can read it for yourself. This is a pretty cool keyboard, I have to honestly say. Now, some of you may think to yourself like, well, he's got the 2 Stream Decks there. What's he going to do with the keyboard? I mean, I have a Logitech keyboard over here that I got at my local thrift store right over here. I love this one. This is great. Wireless. I don't know. I mean, if it wasn't so pricey, I probably would buy it. But let's just scroll down over here. And I will drop the links to see so you guys can check it out at your own leisure. And I just want to throw a little disclaimer out there. Even though I love the Elgato products, I do not have any affiliate links with them whatsoever. So if you guys buy anything from them, I ain't getting anything for it. Okay? And if you're new to my YouTube channel, I offer free information over here, guys. I don't have any merch to sell you. I don't have any mugs or anything of that nature. I don't have no Patreon account. I wish I did. But not right now, it's not set up. So right now, the information I put out is free. There's nothing really supporting my YouTube channel except for the AdSense, which is not really that great, but it's better than nothing. But anyway, let me just scroll down a little over here. I will drop the links so you can check this out. It's pretty cool. I like it. This is all the other products they have here. The Facecam 4K. He has the Stream Deck scissor keys, whatever. I have, like I said, I have the 32 key. That's a different one. They come in different, it's like you can get them, I think, 6 key. We can see here, they got the mic arm, paint your space, whatever. Look at this here. They do have nice things. So if you're not familiar with Elgato, well, I think Corsair, I think bought Elgato. But these are the things they have, the products they have here. And they're really nice. So talk about the 6 key right there. It's cute. I'm not into the colors. I like the black ones here, you know. Then you got the Wavecast, you got the voice focus, Wavelength 3.0. And what I like about this here with the Stream Decks I have, they're totally customizable. And that's like I said, if I want to mute my mic, I don't have to sit there push the mute button on my microphone. All I have to do is just hit the button on here. Totally what do you call it there? You can make all your different ones up there. You configure them to whatever you want. And you don't have just one profile, you have multiple profiles. So even though it's like on the Stream Deck Plus, it's only 8 keys, whatever, but you have different things that you could add more to it. You know what I'm saying? You're not just set up just for that. You could keep adding to it. So it's pretty cool. And here's the other one I want to share with you guys. Let's go over here. This is another one. Look at that setup, huh? I'd love to have a desk like that set up. Look at that. It's pretty cool, right? Nice big, you know, wide screen like that there. But again, I will give you the links to this so you could check it out if you want to read a little more into it. But I tell you, I just got this email this morning, and I was looking at it because I subscribed to the email, you know, to Elgato's email, and I got this thing. I was like, you got to be kidding! And I like the way it looks. It's pretty cool, high tech, right? But you guys could check it out. But anyway, guys, that's all I want to share with you. I'm sorry I'm going all over the place. If you like this video or any of my videos, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated when I post that in the videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Bassini signing off. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.